Okay, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and I got another pack of 10 Discord entry music or entry sounds that you might enjoy for use as, like, entry, like, boom, here I am. It's me. I'm the problem, it's me. So this week, I've got the Bill Nye theme song, a bounce sound effect, enemies spotted, helicopter, helicopter. What's this one? This one is, hey guys, what's going on? Missing ping. Send you to Jesus. Skibidi bop dop dop dop. Weeeeee and Womp Womp Womp. Let's leave these a listen. So as you can imagine, it's literally Bill Nye the Science Guy. This one's just a bounce sound.
Enemy spotted.
And then that's enemy spotted. That's from some first-person shooter game. I forget which one. And we've got helicopter.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Hey guys, what's going on?
Missing ping. Send to Jesus.
I will send you to Jesus.
Skibidi dop dop dop.
Skibidi dop 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 dop.
Weeeeee and Womp Womp Womp. So I kind of just grab these for people that are reshared off of other servers for people to use. I'm not really certain where a lot of these come from, just FYI. If you're curious about where you can get more sounds like these for your own uses, make sure you've got an ad blocker so you don't get anything weird on your computer when you go to random websites, but you can find a lot of websites that offer soundboard sounds for free that probably have a lot of these, because these are all free, widely used meme sounds and everywhere from YouTube Shorts to TikTok. So you should be able to find these pretty easily. I just go to different servers. There's a lot of servers out there you can join that are public that have a bunch of sounds. And if you're a part of a server, like if I open up my Discord, and let's say I go into my soundboard here, and I open up to a random, like the hen house here, I can right-click pretty much any of these, like the bullshit one here, and I can download the sound by right-clicking it and downloading it. And then I can upload it to my own server if I want to use it there, and then leave that server or share it with my friends. So that's one of your options. Now, the other question a lot of people ask me is, like, Larry, how do you use these sounds? I have already got a couple bigger tutorials that go into depth about how to do this, but the simple answer is you go to your server settings, you go to Soundboard, and you have to have a server for this to work. And if you want to play these sounds on other servers, you're going to need Discord Nitro. And then let me just delete, like, I don't know, Lego bricks falling. And then you can upload a sound from one of these different sounds, like the Metal Gear Solid sound from a previous pack. You can adjust how it, like where it starts playing from to trim the edges with these little bars here, if it's too long. Call it Metal Gear. Ping noise. We'll just say metal. What's a good icon for Metal Gear? Gear? We'll do a gear for Metal Gear. And then we'll hit upload. And now we can play this whenever we want. If you want to set it as your entry music, you can right-click it and set it as your global entrance sound, or just the entrance sound for this server. You can go to your user settings, and you can go to voice and video. And this is where you can go down here to entrance sounds. You can pick like a random server that you're a part of. And then you can say, like, in this server, I want to use, like, I don't know, this sound. And you can go through and you can set a custom sound for nearly every single server that you're a part of, but that does sort of require you to have Nitro, just so you're aware. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been another free pack of entry sounds. You can find the link in the video description below, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.